it is time to take the little Fosters. The little Fosters, they have been adopted. Oh, not that one. These two over here. These two little Fosters.
Oh, there's one.
And Starla's gonna miss them too. Anyway, oh, stop. Anyway, the responsible pet owners take their kitty cats and get them fixed at the veterinarian. Yes, we foster little kitty cats for God's feral felines. And, you know, we have them about a month or two, maybe 3. Depends on how long it takes them to get to be 2 pounds where we can go have them fixed.
All right, let's go.
Alright, let's get this thing done. I hate taking them to the vet because we won't see them anymore. Today, yeah. Back there, Starr. You gonna watch the Foster? Hey, Starla. You ready to go, guys? Oh, comfort them, Starla. Comfort them. Love on them. Riding down the road with 2 little Fosters. Found them a forever home. Yes, we did.
It's okay.
Oh, we hate y'all being in a little cage, but it won't be for long. It's just for your safety for a second.
It's okay.
Alright, we're here. Spring Creek Animal Clinic, Dr. Laura Park. They're great. And they're, of course, in league with God's feral felines. They help them a whole lot. Alright, let's do this. Let's sort of...
Be responsible with your pets and get them fixed. There's way too many little animals out on Facebook people are trying to get rid of, and they don't fix them first.
And go to livelonger.life and get your Live Longer tea and help support rescue shelters and God's feral felines and Second Chance Shelter. Because a portion of every Live Longer tea sold helps to go support these wonderful organizations that help people, pets, and planet live longer and happier. Isn't that right, Starla? The ride home after dropping our little Fosters we've had for about a month or 2. A quiet day with no kitty cats playing around on the floor.
Oh, it's so quiet.
So quiet. A little confusing, huh? And you can also be a foster if you desire to be one. You can go to godsferalfelines.com, get a hold of Pam, and she will hook you up. Riding down the road with 2 little Fosters.